second, anything could go down. I can tell that's why you felt the need to bring your friends round. Might as well just come and yell at me, it's what you want to do. It's to give me the permission to.
Hi guys, how are you today? My name is Sarian, and today I wanted to do a Selena Gomez Met Gala 2018 inspired look. Honestly, I can't say I nailed it, but at least I'm honest. Also, I know people get very protective over like their celebrity idols. This is an inspired look, so don't come after me and nitpick. I know some of you will still do it anyways, but I'm just throwing that out there, okay? Thank you so much. I'll shut up and let's get to the tutorial. I didn't even blend right there, what am I? For foundation, I'm going to be using the NARS Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation. The brush I'm using is the It Brushes for Ulta, and this is called the Airbrush Full Coverage Complexion Brush. I saw a tutorial with Kathleen Lights, or her favorites video, and she talked about this brush. So me being a sheep, I went out and I got it. This is my first time using it though, so I don't know how I feel about it just yet, but we'll see. Now I'm going to add the MAC Face and Body Foundation, and this is in the shade Medium Deep Pearl. You can mix it in with the foundation, wear it alone. You can wear it as a foundation. I need a brush. But I'm just gonna use a little bit with my MAC 159 brush and just bronze up the face. So I place it along my hairline, cheekbone, and then my jawline, but then I'm gonna come back with my foundation brush. Come on, wig, and go over it and just really blend it into the skin because it's kind of not blending fully with that brush. So this is a concealer palette I made a while back, but this top row is the Kevyn Aucoin Sensual Skin Enhancers. So I'm going to use one of these bad boys. These are very thick and highly pigmented, so a little bit really goes a long way. And then you either want to warm it up like on the back of your hand or on your palette. And I have an eye booger. I'm gonna place this underneath my eyes. Then using, this is a crown brush. It's the C454 brush. I think it's for contouring, but I'm gonna use it to blend out the concealer. I'm gonna do the same thing on the other eye. Now I'm going to set my under eyes, and I'm using my Inglot HD Illuminizing Loose Powder. This is number 43. I really like this one. I've mentioned it in like all of my recent tutorials because it gives such a pretty luminosity to the skin, and she has a really nice glow, so this is perfect. So I'm setting underneath my eyes because I don't want it to crease. And then down the center of my nose as well, but it doesn't look like she has like a lot of powder on, so I don't want to go too crazy. But I'm taking a makeup remover wipe and I'm going to wipe foundation I have in my brows because I'm just going to lightly fill them in. They look pretty natural. Her brows look pretty natural. This is the Wander Beauty Frame Your Face Micro Brow Pencil in dark brown. I'm just going to follow my natural hairs. So up in here. I don't know. I don't really know what I'm doing when it comes to my brows lately. I overpluck them and it's thrown off my whole game. I think I like that. So I'm really just like, okay, I'm going heavier at like the arch of my brow and then extending it outwards and then keeping my brow light up in here. Yeah, we're gonna go with that. Once I have my brows on, I'm kind of like okay about them, but whatever, we're moving on. This is a Charlotte Tilbury Film Star Bronze and Glow Face Sculpt and Highlight. I'm gonna use this bronzer shade and come right in the hollows of my cheek and then up on my cheekbone because she had a very bronzy look. I got micro needling done on Friday. My face is still like healing from it, so my makeup's like not sticking in certain spots. So if you notice that happening, we're just gonna ignore it. Pretend it's not there. I'm just using my foundation brush. It doesn't have anything on it, but I like to go over the bronze and really push it into the skin so it doesn't look, I don't know, crazy. She has like a very gold, glittery, almost like winged out on her eye. So what I was gonna do was a gold liner first and then just put a gold glitter over it, but I forgot a gold liner, so I'm just gonna use a gold shadow. It'll be fine. I really like her eyebrows. I don't like how mine came out. That's okay. Move on, Bailey, move on. So I'm going to the Shayla and ColourPop palette. This is called Perception. And I'm going to grab this shade right here. It's called TF. The fuck? Probably, right? Place this all over the lid and create the shape I want, which is like this kind of winged out look. So I'm coming up towards my crease and then winging it out a little bit and connecting it down. So this is just gonna be the base because when I put the gold on top of it, you're not gonna see this too much. I'm switching to a fluffier brush. You see it? There it is. To this shade right here is called Unbothered. I'm gonna place this at the arch of my brow, coming down towards the gold. Boom shakalaka. Then I'm now going to the Stila Magnificent Metals Glitter and Glow Liquid Eyeshadow, and this is in Gold Goddess. And it has a little paddle to it, so I'm just gonna place this onto the lid over the shape I created. And this will give us that chunky glitter gold look. With a matte, like deep purple or black and a small brush, I'm gonna place this right at the lash line just to add some dimension or make my lash line look a little bit thicker. And then I'm gonna come ever so lightly along my lower lash line, and I'm gonna place the gold right along my lower lash line as well. Ooh, I don't like that. Hold that thought. With the gold shadow shade from this palette right here, the fuck, or TF, I'm actually gonna come over what I just did because that looks really awful. Oh yeah, gold glitter under the eye for me, not cute. So this is definitely inspired by and not an exact look, okay? Thank you. I was reading a lot of articles and people were saying that they didn't really like the look, but I liked it a lot. Hence why I'm here right now filming this look. I kind of look like a nun who's ready to party. Okay, I'm gonna put on a coat of mascara. I don't know if she's wearing lashes. It doesn't look like it, but she probably is. But I don't know if I'm gonna put on lashes either. So I'm gonna put on a coat of mascara and I'll be right back. So honestly, I don't know how I feel about this look. I liked it on her, but on me, I feel like, I don't know. I think I need lashes. Either way, okay, moving on. This is the MAC lipstick in Bosom Friend. She had a very nude lip. People were complaining about it online, I saw, but I loved it. I think this is the finished look. I don't know. Should I add lashes? I don't know. Maybe I should add some lashes. Hold on, let me just add some lashes. 2 seconds, let me just do it. Okay, so this is the finished look with the lashes. I definitely look more Jersey Shore than I do Selena Gomez, let's be honest here. I had to take my hair down because I was feeling like a nun. No offense, nuns. Love you, appreciate you. But like that hairstyle was just not for me right now. I'm mixed on this. It's pretty, but it's, I don't know. Let me know what you think down below. Also, let me know if there are any looks you want me to do next. My eyelash is falling off. I can't get it to stick, like it's pissing me off. I have cramps too. Thank you for letting me vent. Hope you have a great day today. Make good choices. Don't forget to like and subscribe and leave a comment telling me what tutorial, what do you want to see next? Anyways, I'll see you guys later. Bye. Damn lash.